Hi folks, I'm back out here with the Franklin Arsenal Case Trim and Prep Center. I'm going to show you how to put in your cutting blade. It's going to be this little baggie here that and it looks like this. And so what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take this off. It's going to twist the opposite direction that you're used to. And you go ahead and get it off. And our blade's going to go right in this little neck right here. It has grooves so it'll screw in, or your threads. So we're just going to go ahead and get that threaded in. Get it in there nice and tight. And then go ahead and screw this back on. Now that'll get your cutting blade in there where you can start your trimming.